Welcome, here I've got OPPO A52 and I'm gonna show you how to use the camera promote at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it. And as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's change it to the Pro. We can do it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we have access to other modes of this camera, and one of this is the Pro mode and Expert mode, so when we tap on this we can easily start using this. And the Pro mode gives us possibilities to choose shooting parameters by ourselves. This is useful when we want to learn photography skills and making experiments. So let me start with this settings bar and let's go from the right. The first one button here is the exposure compensation. So by using this slider we can easily make our picture just more bright or more dark as we need. This is how it works here. And now let's move to the next one button. This is the focusing. So here we can change the autofocus to manual focus by using the slider. This is how it works. As you can see, now we have the MF letters and there was the AF, so this is the difference, and this is how it changes. We can also go back to the autofocus by tapping on this button here in the right corner at the bottom. So for now it comes back to the auto settings. Now let's move to the next one button. This is the white balance. So here we can control the temperature of our picture in Kelvin degrees. As you can see, we have also access to this slider, and by going to the left we can make it more cold. By going to the right we can make it more warm. This is how it changes here. And we can also go back to the auto white balance by tapping again on this button here with A letter. So this is really easy. And let's move to the next one button. This is the shutter speed. So here we can change the time of taking picture, and by using the slider we can pick time from 1/8,000 of seconds, which is very short. This is better to taking pictures to objects in move. And by going to the right we can make more long the time of the shooter, and we can pick 32 seconds. This is the longest one, so this is better to objects that are stable. And we can also go back to auto shutter speed by just tapping on this button here. This is how it works. And let's move to the last one button. By tapping on this we get access to ISO. So here we can control the camera's sensitivity to light, and as you can see we have also this slider. We can pick from 100 of ISO, so this is the less sensitive, to the 3 and 2000s of it. This is very sensitive. This is really cool here and really pro. And of course we can go back to auto settings by just tapping on this A letter here. So this is how it works, and now let me take a picture. And here at the left corner at the bottom we have quick access to the gallery, so this is the last picture I've taken. This is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.